So now let's be honest with each other. You've probably gotten some courses that doesn't really meet your expectation, and in this video I'll be telling you why. So in this video I'm going to be showing you 6 tips or what you need to do in order to get the right course in 2023. So now the first thing I would like to say here is defining your goal and your objective. You shouldn't just get courses or just buy courses randomly just because they have good advertisement or all that stuff that you actually see online. Buy a course that solves your problem. Mainly you should get courses that actually solve your problem, not just because you want to learn. Yes, though learning is good, but for example, if you have to get a course that just normally says UI or just learn UI UX design, so you should know that after learning that UI UX design, you need to learn how to monetize your skill as well. So instead, go for a course from the beginning that actually says learn and earn, or let me use that word, yes, learn and earn. Pay for courses that have more of the learn and earn in them. So because by paying for that kind of courses, you actually learn what you want to learn, and the course will also solve your problem, which is the sales part or the monetization part. Well, that's not all. Just because a course has the monetization part in it doesn't really mean that course will still solve your problem. But don't worry, I'm still going to go more into this topic in today's video. So the next thing I would like to say also is the content of the course. Now this is really important, so it shouldn't be like you are expecting more when you didn't even check out the course content. A course content tells you what you should be expecting from that course, but honestly speaking, even all the points in this video, they're just things that people just repeat randomly, because of course courses are just what are just being repeated, or the information you didn't get access to, which you are now paying for. So the content of the course is what you are going to be getting. So you should take a look at the content. Does it really solve your need, what you want to learn, that thing you're actually struggling about? Don't just waste your money paying for courses, and then at the end of the day it doesn't really meet your own expectation. So the content of that course, even if it's advanced, it doesn't really mean that the course is advanced. An advanced course doesn't mean it's an advanced course. So you should go for a content that actually solve your own need. So try to reach out, even if yes, the course might be actually good, but try to reach out to people that have actually gotten that course, get reviews from them, and from that you'll be able to know how good a particular course is. So the next thing I'll say is that you should research. So like I said, defining your goal, now you know the exact thing you need, and you know the exact course you're going for, because that is the problem you're actually struggling with. So you need to research beyond just what you're actually saying. Research beyond the content, of course. Don't let the advertisement and anything deceive you. Research beyond. That's why I'll say get reviews. Get reviews from people that have actually gotten the course, or you can scroll down. Sometimes they post the reviews together with the course, just like that. The content of the course too, you are researching that as well. So you want to research the instructor, by social proof, by checking their Instagram handles, what they can do, how good they are, to show you exactly what you're actually getting. So the next thing is also the knowledge of the instructor. So of course this is this is actually the most important part, because you're actually paying for what the person will be teaching you. So the knowledge of the instructor, and how can you get this, is through social proof as well. So just by checking their social media, maybe whatever they have been doing before, whatever it is, maybe from YouTube, from Instagram, from Facebook, you can get all this there. From that you can just see the value that they are putting out there. You should learn from somebody that you truly want to learn from, that you desire that result, and not just pay for courses randomly. So by researching the knowledge of that instructor, you'll be able to know at least I should be getting something like this from that course. So the next thing which I'll also say is the teaching ability of the instructor. So the knowledge of the instructor is actually different. It's just knowledge is just what someone actually knows, but this teaching ability is the way the person tends to communicate whatever is being said in that course. So yes, of course it might not be easy, because everyone has different communication skills, but anyways, if you can actually get this, you can get the social proof from their maybe a video platform or an audio platform, just like that, you'll be able to get the teaching ability of the course of the instructor that will be teaching you that course. And the last thing I'll say here is social proof. So this is actually the most important part here as well, because you shouldn't just get course randomly. Let this course that you're getting, any course at all you're getting after this video, let it solve your need, let it meet your need. Like, just make sure that, because at the end of the day, if it doesn't meet your expectation, then that course was probably of no use to you. And one thing I should also tell you is that you should only learn more of the things that you're actually struggling about. So everything I've actually said in this video, from the content of the course, research, knowledge of the instructor, is actually now everything now lies in you. So only learning about what you're actually struggling about currently, that kind of course you should actually go for. So like I said, like, go for courses that have like design and earn in them, because it's not even all courses that have that design and earn, or anyhow people want to put it, the title and stuff like that. That doesn't really mean that everyone can actually teach this monetization part. So I'll just say that you should pay for courses that has proven results. In general, let me just say that pay for courses that have proven results. You have seen results and you want to really learn from this person, so you can actually go for courses like that. And again, it's because of, like I said, because the course is advanced, it doesn't really mean that that course is just truly advanced. So pay for courses from someone you truly want to learn from, because if you truly want to learn from someone, you're already seen their social proofs, whatever it is, the testimonial, anything at all, by paying for courses from someone that you truly want to learn for. And I'll end with this, as a YouTuber says, Sapta Prakash said, only buy a course if you're convinced. So you should only get courses if you're convinced. So after checking the social proofs, you have made your research, the knowledge of the instructor, the teaching ability of the instructor, make sure you get that course as soon as you're convinced. So only pay for a course if you're convinced. Don't just go for random courses just like that, just because you want to get a course. Pay for a course that meets your needs. Pay for a course that solves your problem. Pay for a course that has social proof. Pay for a course that has testimonial. And once again, only buy a course if you're convinced. So I would like to say thank you for staying to the end. Thank you for watching this video, and kindly subscribe to this if you got value, so I can get more motivated to upload more tutorials like this for you guys.